Ready to discover the cosmic power of your sneeze? Buckle up. Okay, so when you sneeze, it feels like a mini explosion in your head, right? That's just your body's way of expelling irritants. But what if I told you it has a cosmic twist? Imagine this. You sneeze and a butterfly in Brazil flaps its wings. That's the butterfly effect. Tiny actions leading to big reactions. Now, does your sneeze really change the universe? Well, not exactly, but here's the fun part. Every action, big or small, contributes to the grand tapestry of existence. So the next time you sneeze, remember, you might not be moving mountains, but you're still part of the cosmic dance. Stay curious, sneeze proudly, and keep wondering about the universe. Bye for now.